Good morning, students. Good morning, in this lecture, we are going to study the payment to the outsider after paying to the insider. So, I have written particular cash, Pandit, Sharma and Karma. So, profit sharing ratio 4:2:1. Now, start with the balance. देखो last time balance we have 20,000. 20,000 बचा था ना अपने पास. हाँ ना पंडित को कितना देना है 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs. Sharma, how much you have to pay? 1,20,000. And Karma, how much you have to pay? 40,000. So we are going to pay 40,000 to the Karma. Okay. Now let's, how much we have? 20,000. So we have to pay full amount to the Sharma because as per the statement of excess capital, there we have written first we have to pay the Sharma. How much? 20,000. And we have exactly 20,000. Okay? कम होता तो जितना है उतना देते थे, बाकी का बाद में. क्योंकि अभी ज़्यादा होता तो 20,000 देते तो balance will pay next time. So okay, for less paid to Sharma. S for Sharma. कितना मेरे पास है 20. So full amount मैं दे दूंगा. So पंडित नील शर्मा को कितना दिया है 20,000. इसको कुछ कर दिया कर्मा को नहीं. So how much balance remaining 2 lakhs. कुछ दिया ही नहीं पंडित को. How much balance remaining 1 lakh. And how much balance remaining 40,000. And this is not a balance. अभी मेरे जब में क्या कुछ है क्या नहीं. So I have taken the first relation over. I have taken the second relation, that is also over. Now I will take the third relation. How much I got third relation? 1,58,000. Very good. So my third relation 1,58,000. Now second time I have to pay Pandit 40,000 and Sharma 20,000 as per the statement of excess capital. So 40 plus 20 total कितना हुआ 60. How much we have 1,58,000. So बहुत सारा पैसा अपने पास है. We can pay easily. Pandit, you take your 40,000. Sharma, you take your 20,000. So less paid to Pandit and Sharma. P and S. So कितना माइनस करूँ 60,000. So Pandit will get 40,000. Sharma will get 20,000. Karma dash. So balance. So 1,58,000 minus 60,000. How much is remaining? 98,000. 2 lakhs minus 40,000. 1,60,000. 1 lakh minus 20,000. 80,000. 40 minus 0. 40,000. कुछ दिया तो 0 दिया. Now very interesting. Now see the ratio of the profit share ratio कितना है 4:1. First surplus we paid. Second surplus we paid. Now their capital see the 40, 80 and 160. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. And 4 4s are 16. So 40,000, 80,000. So capital sharing ratio is equal to profit sharing ratio. इसके पहले था क्या? नहीं था. अभी surplus देने के बाद we got profit sharing ratio is equal to capital sharing ratio. Onward, whatever the balance we have, we pay in the ratio and ratio. Because at this stage, we got PSR is equal to CSR. Profit sharing ratio is equal to capital sharing ratio. Getting no? देखो 40,000, 80,000, 1,60,000. अब 0 0 cancel. 4, 2 and 4. So 4:2:1. And therefore, we are preparing the statement of excess capital. In excess capital, whatever we have excess, we are paying, and after that we are getting PSR is equal to CSR. अभी जितना भी balance है, we pay in their profit sharing ratio. So we have how much balance? 98,000. So लेस पेड टू ऑल. अभी सबको पेमेंट करना है और कौन से रेशियो में करना है? 4:2:1. That's your profit sharing ratio. You can say capital sharing ratio because both are same. So minus 98,000. So क्या करूँ? 98,000 डिवाइड बाय 4 + 2 + 1 7. So 98,000 डिवाइड बाय 7 14,000. बराबर है? हाँ. 14,000 इंटू 2 28,000. वेरी गुड. 14,000 इंटू 4 14,000 इंटू 4 4 4 जा 16. कैरी 1 56,000. सो मैंने क्या किया? 98,000 तीनों को बांट दिया इन देयर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो. सो कर्मा गॉट 14,000, शर्मा गॉट 28,000 एंड पंडित गॉट 56,000. अभी पास मेरे पास कुछ है क्या? नील. सो कितना बचा यहाँ पे? 4. कैरी 1. सो 1,04,000. हाउ मच रिमेनिंग हियर? 2. कैरी 1. 52,000. How much here? 6. Carry 1, 2. 26,000. अभी मेरे पास कुछ है क्या? नहीं. बैलेंस 0. So I will take fourth relation. Which relation? Fourth relation. And how much we have fourth relation? 55,400. 55,400. Now this is our last relation. इसके बाद कुछ है क्या? No. In this we have to adjust the relation expenses capital. So how much actual? 1,000. How much estimated? 1,600. So how much we save? How much in your pocket save? 600. So वो 600 यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. देखो how much estimated we keep aside? 1,600. लेकिन एक्चुअल कितना हुआ? 1,000. तो 600 मेरा बचा कि नहीं बचा? बचा. तो मैं 6 लास्ट रिलेशन में ऐड करूंगा और सब पैसा किसको बांटूंगा? ऑल पार्टनर इन देयर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. सो टोटल कितना हुआ? 56,000 है ना. सो लेस पेड टू ऑल. ऑल मीन्स 4:2:1. सो 56,000 डिवाइड बाय 7. दो कितना आ रहा है? 56,000 डिवाइड बाय, हाँ वेरी गुड, 8,000. 8,000 इंटू 2 16,000. 8,000 इंटू 4 कितना? 32,000. माइनस 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 क्योंकि दे दिया ना. 56,000 माइनस 56,000. मेरे पास कुछ बचा है क्या? ऊपर लिखता हूँ. सो नील है ना. नाउ 1,04,000 माइनस 32,000. Very good. 72,000. Second, 52,000 minus 16,000. Very good. 36,000. And 26,000 minus 8,000. 18,000. Now interesting, हाँ, very interesting. अभी इसके बाद मुझे कुछ पैसा आने वाला है क्या? नहीं. तो मैं इतना पैसा उनको देना है. किसको देना है? पंडित 72,000 देना है. 36,000 शर्मा को देना है. 18,000 किसको देना है? कर्मा. सो कैन आई पे टू हिम, पे टू देम? नो, बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनी रिलेशन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड लॉस ऑन रिलेशन, लॉस ऑन रियलाइजेशन. सो दिस इज एंड ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. End of the solution. All the best for your exam.